we are promoting is our identity. And let it be a slogan, even amongst us first, so that we understand what we are doing.
It should be like something like a pre-thought or a pre-thought.
When our vision is clear to us on this table, it's easy for you to say, if these guys are not there to explain 100 to them, this is what we are doing, this is the idea, this is why, and this is what we are trying to achieve.
Let's plan next. Tonight, forget it, don't put your own show.
What we are doing, this is the idea, and this is why, and this is what we are trying to achieve. By then, millions of people came. There's no way with this we cannot convince the government that this is why we are doing this. Actually, so
I want us to put our all in this event because this event is a big one, and if we put in our all and we make it a massive one.
Great for us.
Event